Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create water surface texture background design in Adobe Illustrator. Draw a horizontal box shape. Go to Effect menu and Stained Glass. Cell size 9 and border thickness 1 and light intensity 0. Go to Object menu and Expand Appearance. Again, go to Object menu and Image Trace and Make. Click on Expand on Menu panel. Use Magic Wand tool shortcut Y to select. Select and go to Edit menu and cut Ctrl X. Select shapes and fill color cyan, R0, G255, B255. Select and go to Edit menu and cut Ctrl X. Group Ctrl G. Copy Ctrl C. Select shape and go to Object menu and Path and Offset Path. Object Path 1 pix and joins meter and meter element 4. Paste Ctrl V and use transparency panel Shift Ctrl F10. Blending mode multiply. Object menu and arrange and bring to front. Fill color R0, G226, B255. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Right click and transform and reflect. Select vertical. Move little bit right. Finally, your water surface texture background design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create texture design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.